In the first part of July, I had some friends contact me and said they had some hedge logs they were wanting to get rid of. So I went with my brother and we went and picked a bunch of them up, some for hedge posts, fence posts, and some I wanted to make lumber out of. There was some barbed wire stuck in some of the pieces, so I had to do a little bit of digging to get it all out. I wasn't sure how hard this wood was going to be, as it had been cut around 10 years ago, but I figured I'd at least give it a whirl and see what happened. I was really surprised how well it cut with the 4-degree blades I was using, especially considering how hard hedge is when it's that dry. With some of the wider pieces, I cut some slabs and then ended up cutting some dimensional lumber as well, just to have a little variety. One of the last logs I cut was really interesting, especially once I opened it up to find a lot of burl action going on inside. It's always so interesting to open up each tree because you never know what you're going to find inside.